Thank you, Madam Vice Chairman.
Everybody loves to be sit there. Actually, I was little bit tense first when I sat, but afterwards I was little okay, and now it is okay now. I never thought that when I become the upper house and I will be one day I will also be chairing. Last month when chairman announced my name and nominated me in the thing, I was wondering and I was scared actually, because for me in this field I am very new. Then I went and met chairman, sir, why you put my name, because I am so scared of this. I am very small in this. And he said, no, nothing like that. You are most deserving. You in this post you are most deserving. He told me and he supported me. It was nervous at that time, but when he told me everything, then I said, okay, let it be vote. But when I sat and I was honored actually. I am very much thankful to chairman and Modi ji also for everything. I am not at all expected for me one day I will become a member of parliament in this position. No, it's all because of Prime Minister, and he will pick up the right person in right place. I was never thought that I will become one day in upper house, meant like MP or maybe IOA president. Everything is history. First women. But I never thought that I will become like this. But it's all because of maybe my achievements. Because I struggled a lot in my time. My whole life is a message for youngsters. You keep one aim and do a lot of hard work to achieve the goal. But everything will come to you. I started my sports at the age of 13, and now a lot of facilities are there for young athletes, but still they are not able to get the medals in top class. Like for me in my time, nothing like, I'm not at all worried about the track. For me, there won't be any. There is no need of like track. But now compared to all those things, players are getting a lot of facilities. Whatever the men have, the power is women also have. They also should come forward to do everything.